Good morning, everybody. So this is my analysis for today, for the week anyway. So here's what I'm saying. CJ has been consolidating for a while up here, and now it has given us confirmation on market structure change, and then it gave us confirmation that it continues. So I'm looking forward to entering this market anytime this week. But today we have the Canadian CPI, which will still gear us more into the future and tell us what direction the market will be taking all through the week, possibly for the rest of the month. So now let's check others, done analysis and others. I'm even going to be trading some indices this week. Currently on a trade with NAS 100, aka NASDAQ. So I'm looking forward on Forex. I'm looking for EG, which is Euro GBP. So as you can see, it's uptrending, and there's a key level. I've already mapped out my key levels for TP1, TP2, and TP3. Here's the analysis, and then here's the analysis on GBP card. So I'm expecting price to come down to continue the overall market structure movement, which is downtrend. I'm expecting the pairs to take over sooner. And then I've got GG. GG has shown volatility today, signifying that it's going to correlate with its other currency pairs like CG and AG, which have given more confirmation on market structure break for the continuous downward movement. So I'm waiting on this. If it's going to do a pullback before it breaks this level, then I'm going to be in on the market, because I've already set my market order, my sell limit order. But it doesn't seem like it's going to do that. GJ that I know is going to go down completely before it tries to come up. Coming up, you might not still enter your entry zone. And here we have USD CHF. So I've been patiently waiting for this. It was consolidating around here last week, and now it has given us confirmation that it's going towards my entry position. I hope it goes there exactly from my price action. This is my entry, this blue line here, and from my smart money, it has already got to my entry position. I'm just waiting for confirmation now that market will continue its upwards movement. And then for GU, I'm not seeing any trade to be taken yet, because market is still consolidating, which is piling up liquidity for grabs. So GU is a no. And then I'm suffering a massive loss at the moment on NASDAQ, but I hope for it to reverse, because market has kind of shown me it's I'm just going to trade earlier than usual, because I've got to work, and I don't think if I'll have enough time to keep checking on my charts, so I might just miss the trade. So if you go against me, I know I've lost, because I'm not patient enough to wait due to FOMO, fear of missing out this trade. And I've not really got a trade this month, so I felt like just getting into this trade where market has already shown me that it has changed the market structure, even if it has not given me confirmation that yeah, it's going to continue. Because as we already know, market can change its structure and then just not continue. So yes, NC, which is NZD card, its overall market structure is bearish. So I'm hoping it has already hit this point in a trend line. So I'm hoping it's going to come down. And there's a fair value gap when checking from the higher time frame. It has tapped into it already, and it has shown massive weak rejection. So now I'm anticipating that it's going to come down, fill up the liquidity here, and then if it's going to continue its upward movement, I'm going to take entry from here. But if it breaks it, it's still going to be my entry, and then move all the way down. but I'm confident it's going to end downwards. But from what I'm seeing from CJ, I think the Canadian dollar is losing strength, and it could also affect the US dollar. Who knows? I'll just have to see what fundamental play out today, and then I'll play it all out with my technicals. And then here we have USD card. USD card. Hold on, guys. USD card has been consolidating. No, it's been ranging badly sideways, as you can see. A deadly one. It goes up, it takes out the sellers. It comes down, it takes out the buyers. Nowhere safe here. So you say, no, I'm not trading this. And then we have Aussie dollar. I don't know if you all remember the previous video I made this analysis. I was anticipating for price to come up. Its price was all the way somewhere here. It just gave us confirmation that bearish momentum is still up. Or was it somewhere here? Okay, yes, it was here. I mapped out this, and after I picked to show that look, there's a tendency I will continue this bearish structure. But I was anticipating that it will come over here, fill up this fair value gap, mitigate our order block, and then reverse. So it did that. It filled up this fair value gap, and now it's on this order block region, piling up liquidities, which I do not know what it will do, since it seems like the dollar is on a decision-making movement. We don't know yet if dollar will continue its strong, bullish movement against other pairs, or if it's going to get weakened and taken over by the bears. So right now, market is still undecided. Maybe from the pop out of Canadian CPI news, then we are going to know if the dollar will actually get affected by this or not. But for now, it's piling up liquidity. I can't enter this trade until I see confirmation from fundamentals and then from my technicals telling me that price is on the revenge scheme. It's ready to go downwards. I also have AJ. So AJ, I don't know why all these Aussie pairs, they're all ranging, consolidating. Now this is consolidating. It consolidated here for a while, and then when it was like, because it made an equal high, signifying that market price was going to come down, and then when it came down, it broke it, came down here, tapped into this level where it has this resistance level where it has refused to break for how many months, went back up, tapped into it again, went back up, but it gave us a lower high. So I'm anticipating for price to tap into it again, and then maybe go back up, continue its range, or break it. If it breaks it, I'll be very happy, and I'll know that we're heading towards this level, because price has been up here for way too long. You can see right from December 2024, 9th December up to now. So that's it for these guys. Then here is my card GPY, as I told you guys. You can see the confirmation price has given to us continuous downwards movement. But let's see where this candle closes at, then we'll be confident to say that it's continuous. So that's it for my technicals on Forex. Now let's check the indices I'll be trading. So first on the list we have US30. US30 almost gave us an entry. So I mapped out my SMC zone here and the price action zone of entry, and it went through, collected this liquidity fair value gap here. It did not collect this other one, and then it just went back up, so we couldn't enter the trade. I'm waiting for it to calm down. I'll be more confident when it taps into my price action entry and then show me signs of continuous bullish movement. Now let's see our NAS 100. So NAS 100 has been bullish. It's been bullish, but it's overall market structure. Let's see, guys. It's still bullish. But I was anticipating on some. Now it seems like I'm fighting against the trend. Market is bound, though this is an aggressive trade. Market is bound to give us corrective moves. When it goes up, you calm down. Go up, you calm down. Go up, calm down. Go up, calm down. As you can see, market has tapped into our trend line 1, 2, 3. So I'm expecting it, even if it's not going to tap into it again, to give us a corrective move by calming down. And from my indicator here, my moving average indicator, I can see that price wants to give us the corrective move, but I don't know why it hasn't done that yet. Even from the daily, you can see it. So I'm anticipating that price is going to tap into this support here when it's giving us the corrective move, which I've been waiting for it to do. Even from the 4-hour time frame, it seems like price wants to do this, but I don't know why it hasn't done it yet. So I go into the trade from here. Let me take this off. Go into the trade from here, and then I actually ran into some profit for, you know, the normal thing with price. It fluctuates, and now I'm into losses. Not losses, drawdown. In a drawdown of 1,400. Let me record from my phone. Price is fluctuating, guys, so I'm in a drawdown of 1,430 USD. But I'm still anticipating that price is going to come down, because price gave me confirmation when it gave this week, this massive week. Let me enlarge the screen, guys. It gave this week here, so I'm expecting price. It tapped into this trend line, so I'm expecting price to come down, because this is my entry level. This line here is my price action entry level, and when price got there, it gave us this map. It did not tap into it, it was very close, and it gave us this massive rejection. So which means that price is not ready to go beyond this resistance level. So I'm still anticipating that price is going to come down and tap into the support. Just like I just messed up loss. If you do not have the mind, you won't be able to trade Forex. Because look what price is doing now, but it's going to shock you that price is going to come to my direction and give me massive profits. Let me check if it should something. But if it doesn't do that, I'm ready to lose the money. This is a competition account, so it's not my real money. It's a company's virtual money to earn an account, a funded account. So that is my aim. So this is it, guys, my analysis.